Hello my dear student, today I am going to start the new exercise 9.1. So what is the first question? List 5 rational numbers between these two numbers, minus 0 and minus 1 and 0 and minus 4 by 5 and minus 2 by 3. So find out this one. So how to find out that one? I already explained that how to find out the rational number in between rational numbers. So here minus 1 is there, here 0 is there. So multiply any number to both the numbers. So I am going to multiply. They ask 5 rational numbers, isn't it? So multiply it by 6. Okay. Then we will get 6 rational numbers. So here also 1 is there. So multiply 6. So here also 1 is there. Multiply with 6. So what will get answer? Minus 6 by 6. So here 0 by 6. Okay. In between, how many rational numbers are there? In between minus 1 by 6, minus 2 by 6, up to, leave this denominator, 0 to minus 6, how many numbers? Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, like that, minus 1 by 6, minus 2 by 6, minus 3 by 6, minus 4 by 6, minus 5 by 6. So these are 5 rational numbers in between minus 1 and 0. Okay. Next, second one. So here they give the fractions. So here denominators are different. So first make the denominators same. So here 5 is there, here 3 is there. So multiply 5 to 3 and 3 to 5. So multiply here minus 4 by 5 is there. Multiply 3 to both numerator and denominator. So here minus 2 by 3 is there. Multiply with 5. Okay. So now multiply minus 12 by 15. So here minus 10 by 15. Okay. In between you will get only one rational number, that is minus 10 and minus 12 will be there. Here you will get minus 11 by 5, 11 by 15, only that one. So this is the in between rational number, but they ask you should find 5 rational numbers. Okay. So multiply these two numbers to any one number, like that. Here 6 are multiplied. Here you already got one number. So multiply it with what you have to find out 4, 3. So multiply it with 3. So multiply to 3 for both the numbers. 10 by 15 into 3. So multiply it. What will get the answer? Minus 36 by 15. So minus 30 by 15. So numbers are, so here numbers are minus 35 by 15, minus 34 by 15, minus 33 by 15, minus 32 by 15, minus 31 by 15. So these are in between rational numbers, isn't it? So in between rational numbers are, these are in between rational numbers. Okay, I have taken only A and C, B and D are monopoles. Just try this. Second question, write 4 more rational numbers in each of the following patterns. So here we can write so many rational numbers. So 4 more. They ask, that means you should find out the equivalent rational numbers. So see here first, here minus 3 by 5 is there. Next one is 6 by 10. That is 3 into 2, 6. 5 2s are 10. They have multiplied here 2. 3 3s are 9. 5 3s are 15. Next 3 4s are 12. 5 4s are 20. So next patterns are, so 3 by 5 as is, minus 6 by 10, minus 9 by 15, minus 12 by 20. So here minus is common. 3 1s are, 3 2s are, 3 3s are, 3 4s are, next 3 5s are. So minus 15. 5 1s are, 5 2s are, 5 3s are, 5 4s are, 5 5s are. Like that, write down 3 table and 5 table. 3 6 are 18, 5 6 are 30. Next 3 7 are 21, 5 7 are 35, 3 8 are 24, 5 8 are 40. So these are next 4 rational numbers. Just multiply the same number to both numerator and denominator. You get equivalent rational numbers. So here minus 1 by 6 is there, 2 by minus 12 is there. So here denominator minus sign is for denominator. So just take it for numerator here also. So you should write the next 4. So see here 1 2 3 4. Okay, you should multiply 1 2 2 3 4. Next number must be 5. So 6 ones are 6 twos are 6 threes are 6 fours are 6 fives are. So first write down minus 1 by 6 minus 2 by 12. So write down like this, minus is only for numerator. Next minus 3 by 18, minus 4 by 24. Next 1 2 3 4. Next 5 definitely. So 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30. Next 6 36, 7 42, isn't it? Next 8 48. So these are the next 4 rational numbers. So I have taken first and third, second and fourth are homework. Next third one, give 4 equivalent rational numbers to these numbers. So first one take it minus 2 by 7. So how to find out the rational numbers? Equivalent rational numbers, multiply the same number to this fraction. To both numerator and denominator will get the next rational number, isn't it? So minus 2 by 7 is there. So minus 2 by 7 into multiply 2 to both numerator and denominator, you will get minus 4 by 14. Next again multiply 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Next you will get 6 by 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are how much? 21. Like that they ask how many 4 equivalent. So we have found 2. 2 3s are finished, 2 4s are 8, 7 4s are 28. Next 2 5s are 10, 7 5s are 35. So these are the equivalent rational numbers. So next big one, minus 5 by 3. So next here 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 5 twos are 10, 3 twos are 6. Next 5 threes are 15, 3 threes are 9. Next 5 fours are 20, 3 fours are 12. Next 5 fives are 25, 3 fives are 50. These are the next 4 rational numbers. So last one 4 by 9. So here 1 is there. 4 ones are 4, 9 ones are 9. 4 twos are 8, 9 twos are 18. 4 threes are 12, 9 threes are 27. 4 fours are 16, 9 fours are 36. 4 fives are 20, 9 fives are how much? 30, 45. So these are next 4 rational numbers. Next fourth one, draw the number line and represent the following rational numbers on it. So 3 by 4. So first draw the number line. Okay. So and here 3 by 4 is in between which numbers? 0 and 1. So this is in between 0 and 1. So this is 0, this is 1, this is 2. So take it as this is minus 1. But 3 by 4 is in between 0 and 1. And here total how many parts? 4 parts. So 2 parts, 3, 4 parts. Okay. So first one 0 by 4 and for this one 1 by 4, 2 by 4. This one is 3 by 4. So this is the 3 by 4. How to represent 3 by 4? And last one must be 4 by 4 only, isn't it? 4 by 4 means 1. So total how many parts? 4 parts, 3 parts. Third one. So next this one minus 7 by 4. So first draw number line. So and this number is in between which number? So this is improper. So first convert this one 3 by 4. So and 3 by 4 is in between 0 and 1. But here minus 1 is there. So minus 1 is there. So it is in between minus 1 and minus 2. Why? Because it is greater than minus 1, isn't it? So here this is 0, this is 1, this is minus 1 and this is minus 2. Okay. So total how many parts? This is for your simplification. Okay. Cancel it this one. And this is for your simplification. So total how many parts? 4 parts. So this is 2. Total how many parts? 4 parts. Next 5, 6, 7. Okay, so now write down the fractions. So this is minus 1 by 4, minus 2 by 4, minus 3 by 4. This one is minus 4 by 4. So minus 4 by 4, 1 only. So this is 5, 6, 7. So this is 7 by 4. Okay, and this is minus 6 by 4, minus 7 by, minus 5 by 4. Go on increasing. So go on decreasing. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7 by 4. And this should be minus 8 by 4. So this is minus 7 by 4. And this one is 3 by 4. Okay, this is the way of representing the rational numbers on number line. Next two forms are right reversal. So I have taken 6th question because 5th question is very easy, just a representation of the rational numbers on number line. So right reversal. 5th question is homework. So 6th question, which of the following case represent the same rational numbers? So how to check these two rational numbers are equal or not? So first, here minus sign is there, here there is no minus sign. That means these two are not same. So that means minus 21, 7 by 21 is not equals to 3 by 9. Why? Because here minus is there, here plus is there. Okay, don't cancel anything. So now next here, minus 16 by 20. So this one is also minus is there, isn't it? So this one minus is there. So minus is here. So minus 16 by 20, minus 20 by 25. So now standard form, convert this to standard form. So minus 16 by 20. So write down this as a minus 20 by 25. So common factors are there, 4 4s are. So 4 4s are 4 5s are. And this one 5 4s are 5 5s are. What will get the answer? Minus 4 by 5, and here also minus 4 by 5. So that means these two are equal. So these two are equal. That means minus 16 by 20 equals to 20 by minus 25. So these two are equal. Just convert them to standard form. Okay, you will get the answer. Next, third one. So here minus is there, here also minus. Minus divided by minus. What you get the answer? Minus divided by minus. You will get plus only. And this one equals to 2 by 3. Isn't it? Here they give minus divided by minus. Plus. Next 1 by 3 is there, and minus 1 by 9. Here plus and minus. Obviously they are not equal. Okay. Next 3 questions are there, right reversal. Next 7th one, rewrite the following rational numbers in the simplest form. So here minus 8 by 6 is there. Simplest form means there are no common factors other than 1. Now only in the 6th question I told that. So here minus 8 and 6 is there. So it is divisible by. So both numbers are even numbers, divisible by 2. 2 3s are 2 4s are. So what you get the final answer? Minus 4 by 3. So is there any common factor other than 1? No. That means the final answer is minus 4 by 3. So next 25 by 45. So here in one's place 5 is there. That means it is divisible by 5. Divisibility rule for 5. So divided by 5. 5 5s are 5 9s are. So again here 5 by 9 will get the answer. Is there any common factor between 5 and 9 other than 1? No. That means this is the simplest form. So next, minus 44 by 72. So these two are even numbers, divisible by which number? 2. 2 2s are 2 2s are. Next, 2 3s are 6. 1 remains 12. 2 6 are. Sorry, 2 6 are right. Okay. Next, 22 and 36. Again, divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2 1s are. 2 18s are. So next you will get minus 7 by 18. Is there any common factors other than 1? No. That means final answer is minus 11 by 18. Next last one, minus 8 by 10. So both the numbers are even numbers, divisible by 2. So divide 2 4s are 2 5s are. So simplest form of minus 8 by 10 is minus 4 by 5. Next here one. fill in the boxes with the correct symbol out of greater than, smaller than, or equal. So first, these are rational numbers. Okay. So first compare it. How to compare it? So first make the denominator same. So here 7 is there, here 3 is there. So just multiply. For 7, 3. So minus 5 by 7 into 3. So here also into 3. Next 2 by 3 is there. So multiply here 7. Multiply 7. Minus 15 by 21. 14 by 21. So which one is greater? Obviously 14 by 21. So answer is smaller than. Minus 5 by 7 is smaller than 2 by 3. So we already studied in fraction and decimal chapter. So just make the denominator same. So next here 5 and 7 is there. So again multiply. So minus 4 by 5 into 7 into 7. So this one 5 by 7 into 5. 7 5 7 7 5 both are same. So next minus 28 by 35. 25 by 35. So this is minus is there. So which one is greater? Minus 28 or minus 25? Obviously minus 25 is greater. That means this is also smaller than. Next fifth one. Minus 1 by 3 is there. Here 4 is there. So first write it as minus 1 by 3 and minus 1 by 4. Okay. So now here 3 4 is there. Multiply. Minus 1 by 3 to 3. Sorry 4. Here also multiply 4. So minus 1 by 4 multiply into 3. What will get the answer? Minus 4 by 12 minus 3 by 12. Which one is greater? Again, this is smaller. And last one, 0 and minus 7 by 6. Which one is greater? Obviously 0 because here minus sign is there. So which one is greater? 0 is greater. So I have taken 4 questions. Remaining 3 questions are covered. So this completes the exercise 9.1.